Boom shakalaka. Anybody else exhausted with Bitcoin price just going sideways at previous all-time highs? Well, this is freaking crazy. You better stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including one chart that is freaking crazy towards the end. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Now today, Fear and Greed, 75, down from extreme greed a couple days ago to regular run-of-the-mill greed. The overall market sideways today. Bitcoin is still at $69,000. Way to go, Bitcoin. 69,375. Ethereum at 3690. BNB at 681. Solana 159. XRP 49 cents. Dogecoin 14 cents. Toncoin 711. And Cardano 44 cents. Now, Bitcoin sitting just above previous all-time highs from last cycle, right around $69,000. Again, way to go, Bitcoin. But it's been sitting here forever. This has been since what, like February? We breached these levels. The beginning of March, we breached these levels, and then we've just been going back and forth this whole time. Didn't pass the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. Still not outside the bull flag. What is going on? Well, recently, price dumped because the degen longs got purged. You can see as price was accumulating, all of a sudden these late degen longs came on, they got purged, price dumped, again, price down lower. Now, as of right now, Bitcoin is sitting above its most crucial support level at $68,500. If Bitcoin maintains this level, it's only up from here. Interesting chart, which we'll be coming back to at the end of the episode, so ingrain this one in your mind. Money printing has just begun. Taking a look at this, we can see there was a previous all-time high, roughly towards somewhere in 2022 right here, that we did not breach in 2023, and we have just breached, which means that Bitcoin price could be going up as more money is being printed. As a matter of fact, the Bitcoin swing momentum indicating we're still very early in this trend just by the size of this compared with the size or the magnitude of previous cycles. Still very early on in this cycle. And if we take a look at whale wallets, Bitcoin wallets holding at least 10 Bitcoin have added 154,000 more Bitcoin in the past 5 months. Now, as they accumulate, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices go up. As they dump, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices go down. So right now they're accumulating, which would mean that prices should go up. As a matter of fact, the realized cap for new whales, the last time we had a pump like this, where you can see the realized cap for new whales spiked, was right when Bitcoin went from $10,000 to $69,000. Again, $69,000, way to go, Bitcoin. But that was roughly September, October of 2020. So could we be in the same neck of the woods? Well, it kind of feels like it because there was nothing happening at that point. Bitcoin price was just going sideways, coiling, waiting forever, nothing happening. But we do have a few legendary signals for Bitcoin recently, like this one right here, the HV signal, down as low as it was only twice in Bitcoin's history, both times before massive, blazing parabolic rally. You can see signaling again right now. Not only that, but we have a perfected TD9 sequential setup on the 2-month charts for Bitcoin. Only the second time in Bitcoin's history. Last time this happened, amazing, blazing, parabolic run for Bitcoin. And if we take a look at Bitcoin's 5-day bullish compression, has reached its highest level in 8 years. So look at this, 3 legendary signals that have not flagged between close to 8 years for most of them, and all of them preceding massive rallies. So could it be we are on the verge of something huge for Bitcoin? Well, it's quite possible. If you think back to that one chart I was mentioning earlier, this one right here, we have global expansion of liquidity, M2 money increasing. Well, it turns out that Bitcoin actually hasn't had a new all-time high since 2017 against M1 money supply. You can see here in 2021 when we got wicked off, guess what? Didn't happen. We didn't breach those levels. And coincidentally, no blow off top. Now, each time we did breach those levels, had a massive blow off top. So as we are just breaching right now, like one of those big fat whales in the water, we could be having a nice blow off top coming this cycle, which could send price dramatically higher. As a matter of fact, based on this right here, the delta top, terminal top, and top cap, depending upon whether we had a wick-off cycle or a blow-off type cycle, would be somewhere between $137,000 and $364,000. And if you want any more proof that Bitcoin is going to $1 million, the one guy who has always been wrong about every Bitcoin prediction he has made, he says there's no way Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Well, guess what? He just signed it on Twitter. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, come join us on Twitter, CryptoLove. Subscribe. Also, YouTube thinks you should check out that video right there. So take a look at it. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.